Hello, I'm Andrew from Bear Bull Traders, Drew 2 in the chat room. I've been a member for about 4 years now, and I just completed PCT 2021 September series. And I just wanted to give a quick review on the program and what I thought about it and how it helped me. First of all, to sum it up, I'd have to say journaling was the biggest thing for me. Actually journaling and using the templates they provided really woke me up and showed me how to attain some semblance of consistency. I actually ended PCT green, which was a shocker for me. I picked the ABCD pattern, 5-minute chart only. I stayed away from the 1-minute chart, and it proved to be beneficial. I'd just like to thank John. He was my team captain. Simon was also very helpful. I had a couple of one-on-ones with each of them that were really great. I think I learned what a professional trader should be and how conscientious he should be about journaling. Journaling was the biggest thing for me. I did think I was journaling in the past, but nowhere near the level that the templates that PCT offered me have shown me. I was able to see what I was doing wrong over a large group of trades, and I proved to myself that by sticking to one, it can be profitable. So I will continue to use what I learned in PCT, and hopefully I'll continue being consistent. Thanks again to the team captain, John, and Andrew Aziz for providing all the educational material and the chat room. It's been very beneficial for me to trade with a group and have people to talk to.